On this rainy shore where shadows fall, I play the piano, alone I call her fleeting smile, her tender touch. Now lost in the wind, it hurts so much. Her voice still lingers in the crashing waves, echoes of love that I couldn't say. This empty night, this cold embrace, her memory haunts this lonely place. I walk this beach to forget her name, pour my heart into this piano's flame. With rain-soaked hands I play her song, calling her back where she belongs. Though love is gone, my heart still sings, forever hers on these broken strings. Beneath the moonlight, these keys I trace, they hold the shadow of her gentle face. If I could hold her just one more time, I'd stop the stars, make the heavens mine. Our promises written in the sand, washed away by time's cruel hand. But my heart keeps playing, it won't let go. This melody for her forever flows. I walk this beach to forget her name, pour my heart into this piano's flame. With rain-soaked hands I play her song, calling her back where she belongs. Though love is gone, my heart still strains. Will the rain never stop? Will her memory fade? Will this melody end? I'm so afraid. But my soul keeps singing through the endless night, a song for her under starless light. On this rainy shore, I'm all alone, whispering her name in every tone. This piano holds my heart's last plea, forever hers by the endless